Hey y'all, this is Brenda, Slapout Homestead, and I just wanted to show you guys real quick how to freeze your zucchini so you can use it later for those chocolate chip cookies I already gave you the recipe for, or you could also use these to make zucchini bread. So I will be right back and I will show you how we accomplish this. Okay, so I got my assembly line all hooked up and I wanted to show y'all just exactly how to do this. It's not going to take too long. In fact, I got about 20 seconds until these are finished steaming right there. So what I did was I shredded all my zucchini and my yellow squash in my food processor, and then I hung it out in this bowl right here. Then I used my measuring cup and measured out 1 cup each round. There's my timer. So this has been steaming for 5 minutes. So the shredded zucchini goes in here and it steams for about 5 minutes. That's about how long it's been taking to get it to the translucent stage. Then it gets, I'm going to turn that fire off so it'll quit steaming. Then it goes from there over into here, and all this is my canning funnel, a juice glass, and a sandwich sized Ziploc zip type bag. Okay, so shredded, shredded, 1 cup goes in the steamer, 5 minutes. It goes from the steamer into this plastic bag. Then I tap it around and get all the air out and seal it up, and then that hot plastic bag goes into this sink of water that has a blue ice in there. This one's been sitting in there the 5 minutes that the other one was in the steamer, so this one can come out now. And then we just dry it off. And then I roll it up real tight. And it goes inside this freezer bag over here. Let me see if I can get that open with one hand. That's not working very well. There we go. Okay. So into the smaller bags are not freezer bags, but the bigger bags are. So this is what we end up with. And I labeled it 2019 shredded zucchini, 1 cup each. And then as I need them for my recipes, I can just pull one out, let it thaw, and then proceed with my recipe. So that's my assembly line. They went from the food processor into this bowl, from this bowl into that 1 cup, from that 1 cup into the steamer for 5 minutes, from the steamer into this bag that's sitting inside this juice glass. Then it goes from there, right here, I press out the air, seal it up, put it in the cold water bath down here, pull out the one that was already in there, dry it off, roll it up, put it in the bag here, and once I'm all the way finished, they go in the freezer. I've been doing this a minute, so I already have a bag full. There are 12 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 is 12. So I ended up with 15 cups of fresh squash out of my garden that are going to go in the freezer. I don't normally like putting things in the freezer because then what if the power goes out? Well, you can't really can squash unless you plan on pickling it, so we're doing it this way. And we will have some zucchini, and I put yellow squash in there too, but also a lot of that is I grew golden zucchini, so even the yellow is actually zucchini. Not all zucchini is green. Anyway, I hope that helps. Anybody who's got a whole bunch of zucchini, don't really know what to do with it, and we're still in the middle of zucchini season, so I still have a whole lot more coming for us to eat fresh, and it was nice to just take a couple hours and get all this put in the freezer, so I'll have it for later. That's awesome. Makes me really, really happy. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me for a couple minutes in my kitchen. I hope you learned something. I know I did. This was kind of fun. It was like a craft project, having my assembly line going. But we are all finished. That was my last one, as you can see. That was my last one, and I'm all done with the whole project. And yes, it's extremely satisfying. I will see y'all on the next video. God bless you. Take care. Bye.